To feel.
Feel, felt, felt. Feel has two meanings.
It means to use our fingers to touch.
Feel also means to experience an emotional sensation. She cannot see because she's blindfolded, so she must use her fingers to feel objects.
She must guess what she is feeling.
She feels and guesses correctly.
She felt that it was a wine glass,
but wasn't able to feel that it was empty. This blind man is using a stick to feel his way.
He feels obstacles through the stick. He felt a chair and needed a rest.
He felt stupid when he sat on a woman. She felt sorry for him and gave him her seat.
He felt her face to see what she looked like. He's feeling sad.
He will feel better as soon as he does not feel lonely. A friend comes and sees that he's feeling sad.
She asks him how long he's felt bad.
She promises that he will feel better.
After a little kiss on the cheek. She was right, and he feels much better.
He feels better than he's felt for a long time. She will have to feel because she cannot see. Our fingers send information to our brain. The information our fingers send to our brain when we feel things is usually very precise.